October 5th, 2016, Hurricane Matthew. International Space Station images. You can see the piezoelectric effect on the clouds. Better examples to come. Rectangular object inside the eye. You can see a ring of chemtrail dumps around the ring of this storm. And there's an example right there. Piezoelectric effect. Metallic aerosols. And there's chemtrails right in the eye of the storm. Gratuitous chemtrail right there. You can see the aerosol dumps just about everywhere. More piezoelectric effect. A large ring of aerosols. Metallic aerosols react with electromagnetic force to produce the piezoelectric effect. More piezoelectric. There's those chemtrails again, right in the eye of the storm. There's that shot. You can see a few chemtrails. More piezoelectric. Look at the electromagnetic effect on this storm. Once again, the anticipated landfall. There's that rectangular object and the chemtrails. Amazing photograph. International Space Station reveals aerosol dumps engineering this storm. More piezoelectric. Some of these are the same images again. However, it pays to look at them a few times to get the idea of what's happening to the storm. It's being engineered. International Space Station, October the 5th.